Who doesn't love a curry? But also, who doesn't love the idea of making curry that's super easy to make, tastes absolutely amazing, but also super healthy? This recipe is for you. I've lost so far 8 kilos, and this recipe was one of the recipes that I've used to lose weight. So start off by adding olive oil and then fry your chicken just quickly on both sides. Add some lemon and some chicken stock and cook them until they look white. But don't worry about that. Take them off, and then the juices from the chicken that is left in the pan, we are going to saute the peppers and the onion using whatever leftovers from the olive oil and the juices of the chicken. Once the peppers and the onions have softened, we are going to start by making our curry sauce. Now, this is how easy it is. You're pretty much going to put all these ingredients that you can see on the screen in a blender and blitz, and that's it, with the spices, of course. And don't worry if you can't see them on the screen, because this recipe is actually on my website with full instructions and details that you can check it out, and the link is in my bio. Now back to this recipe. As I said, this recipe is super easy to make and it's also super healthy for you. So we're going to stick to trying and get in shape just before our holidays. Once you add all these ingredients, blitz them together and then add tiny bit of water just to help smooth everything out. Now add your spices and then blend them again until you get like a sort of a chunky sort of a paste. What you need to do now, after you've done that, you need to add it on top of your soft onions and peppers. Cook that for 15 minutes, and on the side we've got some chicken stock with tomato paste and a bit of seasoning. Add that on top after 15 minutes, and then followed by the chickpeas, and cook it for another 30 to 35 minutes until it reduces and the color becomes stronger. Add your chicken back again, and then mix everything together and cook for another 10 minutes until your chicken is fully cooked through. And then here you have it, a curry that is packed with flavor and it ticks all the boxes. I ended up having it outside because the weather in the UK lately has been absolutely amazing. Go and make it, because you are going to eat it and you're going to feel zero guilt afterwards. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next Monday.